Okay, so welcome to this video from Dr. Lock. This is an interesting one. Break and enter. Basically somebody stole the wrong keys and put it in the lock and snapped it off in the lock. So they used an old Commodore key, like a VT to VZ, and basically snapped it off and locked. So the car was locked, so it was hard. I couldn't actually decode the lock, I couldn't pick it, and then it was difficult to get inside of it. Then we got a flat battery at 7 volts, etc, etc, etc. So anyhow, we now have a new, and of course it's raining today as well, and it's a Friday. You know, this is a typical locksmithing thing. So yeah, anybody that's been doing this job knows that at least one Friday out of every month. So what I had to do is take the panel off and remove the door lock, and then repair the door lock. Just a couple of wafers were there's a screwdriver just sitting there. They mucked up this tint, and they had a coat hanger down there, all kinds of stuff. So they really tried to give this car a good stealing, if you'd say. They did put a bit of effort in. But that's it. The key has now been deprogrammed, and now we have just one remote flip key. So this is not the same as the triangle key that comes with the car, but you really don't need it. And to tell you the truth, these are really nice flip keys. They've got a nice key ring, and it sits nice in your pocket, nice and smooth. So that is it. We are done. Just one more check. There we go. The remote works, everything works. Door back on. So this probably took about 2 hours in the rain to fix. Anyhow, if you need keys made to your Subaru, 0413 120 444. Thanks for watching.